The bob is bobbing. Hey loves, my name is Winnie Jean. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? I'm going out of town tomorrow. If y'all see me here in a fresh wig cap, no ball cap, just vibes, it's a mayhem. It's something afoot, all right? So, got my nails off, child. I'm trying to let them breathe. It's so hard. I've been getting my nails done consistently since I was 16 years old. So not having them, I feel naked. I feel a little risque, but that's neither here nor there. Like I said, I'm going out of town tomorrow. I actually need to run to Dallas, pick up some packages, grab some stuff out of my storage unit, girl, the works. So I need to do something to this head. And like I said, we double wig capped up actually. I have a weaving net under, and then I have my wig cap on top, one of those seamless ones. The real thin ones, got one of those on. And one second. Today's video is sponsored by my girls over at Nadula. I haven't worked with them in a while and I've been enjoying the braids. I've been loving the crochet hair, but I need something quick, easy, simple, cute, something real quick, because literally I'm ready to partake and then go to sleep. So I can not be dog tired on this flight tomorrow, please. But if I get my hair done tonight, I can sleep in tomorrow. Your girl be thinking. So let's see what we got here. We're gonna open her up together and let's get into the gig. Comment below and let me know if you've ever bought anything from the YouTube shopping links that I put below. I just wanna know because I put a lot of time into those, and if y'all don't use them, child, I can not, because I've been searching for these specific shears. It's like these black and gold shears. I think I got them on Amazon and I cannot find the perfect link for YouTube shopping. So if y'all don't care, honey, I cannot be putting in the hours. But I like to link everything down below just so you can directly shop from here, grab anything that you need to install your hair. And sometimes I can link the hair down there too. So always check the description box and all of the product links, because I really try my best to link every single thing that I use, girl. So get into it. Nadula packs her to the brim. I got my little duster bag. Love those. I use those a lot for packing. Cute little edge band situation. More wig caps. And we have our wig. All right, so she is a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig, and I can already tell the knots are bleached really nicely. Let's see. None of them little black dots. I love that for us. She has a pre-cut hairline. She has the elastic grip strip around the outside, comb in the back, drawstring in the back, and she has an additional adjustable strap. It's one of the new little thin ones, but I actually do like that. A little more comfortable than the thicker ones, because the thicker ones would sit a little funny in the back of your head depending on your braiding pattern, and these sit really flush and easy. So I'm excited for her. She is a Bobbiana, like I said, so hopefully she's quick, simple, easy, sexy, giving what we need her to give. Now, she's like a yaki texture, so she has lots of nice natural texture. It's gonna look super natural, and I think she's 12 inches, so I'll put all the details down below in case you want to order exactly what I got. But she is super cute and I'm ready to put her on. Let's see what she's given right out of the bag, because y'all know I normally like to wash my wigs, but if I'm going out of town the next day, girl, I'm trying to, it's either wash my butt or wash this wig. I'm not doing both, quite literally, honey. I'm tired and my flight is at 6 a.m. So we finna see what she gives right out of the bag today. I went ahead and tightened the drawstring in the back, and I just tucked her in so we can get into Miss Barbarina. And while we're at it, let me go ahead and plug my flat irons up, because she's definitely gonna need a little curl, a little tuck, a little something. Oh, I need my hot comb too. Definitely gonna need the hottest of hot combs. It's time to get serious. It's been a minute since I did a wig install, and we gotta see if I still got it. Flat irons plugged in, hot comb on. It's time to get serious. It's time to lock in, twin, as the kids say. All right, but all jokes aside, so far so good. I'm loving the quality of the lace. The knots are bleached to perfection. I'm here for it. I do want to customize this hairline just a teensers though. It's kind of straight across, which looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. But y'all know I've been obsessed with my little fake widow's peaks because I love my little sister's hairline. So we're gonna have to get our little Gabby on. I'm just going to comb a little bit out, and we're just going to cut a little semicircle out of the hairline. Now it's giving light widow's peak vibes. And to me, it just looks a little bit more natural, especially if I'm not gonna do baby hairs and it's gonna go straight back. It just gives it a little something, a little shape that I like. And it doesn't even have to be perfect. The less perfect, the better, to be honest. It's cute, cool. We're gonna keep the install glueless before a little bit of hold and just a little melting. I'm gonna go in with the Bold Hold Lace Jelly. I love this stuff because for no baby hair looks, which is what I'm gonna do today, just because the hairline is kind of, it's nice because it's a little thick, like a gel. So it makes it easier to style the hair. Even for my no baby hair looks, I still like a little swoop to the hairline. I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean, but I don't want my hairline to go straight back, even if I don't have baby hair. It's more of a soft, I don't know, girl, a soft swoop, a soft sway to the back, honey. I don't know how to explain it. But what I am doing is going in with this product, placing it right on the edge of the lace and maybe a little 1/4 of the inch back, because we're going to use it like a melting product slash edge control. Hear me out. So no baby hair, but just a couple little swoop-a-boops, if you will. Now the one in the center is the most spicy. The rest of the way I just take the hair down and back, so it's not really baby hair, it's just, I don't know, not wild edges. It just gives it a little bit of a more polished look, because I think that's what I like about baby hair is, one, it makes my forehead smaller. Two, I like the extra polished look of it. So as you see, this part is going straight back. Now I'm going to just bring it down and back. Nothing too crazy, not like an actual baby hair, just a little bit of something to the hairline. So like that, right? Not really baby hair, is it? Not really. Not compared to what I normally do, child. I don't think I want this center one as heavy though. I think that looks a little better. I think I'm gonna just chill on the center piece. Ooh, no, I think I liked it better before, but just a little less. So I'm just gonna part out a couple of hairs, literally just a few. Give them a little trim, and then we're gonna swoop them. The trim helped. I think it was the trim. They were too long. That's nice. That's giving what I wanted to give. Just a little something. Love it. All right. Now, I don't wanna get my cute one that they sent me dirty. So I'm gonna go in with my already dirty, just little, I think this is a 1/2 inch or inch thick elastic. It is filthy, but I bought it from like Michael's or Walmart or just a little craft section. And you don't want it to be super thick, you want the thinner elastic. But this works so good. And you can tie it as tight as you want in the back as opposed to the Velcro. It gives you a little bit more control over how tight you have it. All right, now that that's done, I want to just go in and press this top section out just a little bit. My hot comb is finally spicy, but I want volume in the curls. I still want my wig to look nice and flat, so I'm just gonna go in and press her out in sections. I'm also gonna go ahead and clean up the part of it. And this wig is low-key given it was wrapped or something, because this side I'm already working on was relatively flat. This side I feel like it's gonna need a little extra loving, but not really though, because it's kind of flattened out with just me doing that little pass over it. But girl, we gotta figure out what we're gonna name her. I'm thinking she giving Kimberly. I'm trying to think of a name that just sounds like you mean business, because with a bob, it just gives you don't play. Even if you play, not with the bob in your head. You know what I mean? Immediately amongst putting it on, you gotta just start taking life a little more serious. No games can be played in certain hair, and this is one of them. All right, we got her pressed out. So far, so good. Roy. I thought I was gonna have to touch up the cut a little bit, but I don't think I will. I could maybe, let me see. Depending on how your wig sits on your head, it can tilt your bob a little bit. So I'm gonna just cut this from being angled to being straight across, because I really want that blunt bob look. But at this point, baby, I'm literally nitpicking because I could have left it just how it was and nobody but me was gonna know the difference. It's also a slight layer in the top, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more to it. So I'm just taking my scissors off a little 45-degree angle and just adding a little more to the layer. Yeah, boom. It's really not even giving super bob. It's just giving a natural style, period, because it just looks like a natural length of hair, really nice, beautiful texture. I'm not mad at it, but I ain't mad at them. Hey. I done watched Norbit twice recently, and that movie was so funny. And I didn't realize how many things that I like say. I'm a movie music girl, so I like quote movies, quote music all the time. And between how you doing, I'll show you how a bitch go down the slide. It's just, ooh, please don't trim that fat, she'll kill me. It's just so many funny parts to that movie. I cannot. I love that movie so bad. And it's one of those ones where it's like, I don't think about it a lot, but then when I finally watch it, I'm like, yes. All right, so I have a brush with a little leftover concealer, and I'm just using this to clean up my part. I don't want to apply any new products because that might just give it makes it a little too bold for me. But little something that looks good. Just a little something to clean the part up. All right, we got the wig on, everything, the cut cleaned up, the part cleaned up. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into styling. And for that, I'm kind of liking the flip at the bottom. I don't know if I want the flip or the tuck. I think I'm gonna just go tuck just to show y'all, because I think that's how most people would style it. So let's go tuck and see if she's giving what we need her to give. Pardon? So I'm gonna take the top section and put it in a ponytail, and we're gonna work at the back first, of course. It's just easier for me to do that way. The good thing is that because the hair is not super long, this should be relatively quick, but we shall see. And I'm not quite turning the flat iron, I'm just giving it a little bend, especially in the back, because I don't want the curl to be too tight at the bottom. And then as I move my way up, I'm gonna add a little bit more bend. So I'm not giving it a full turn, just kind of running through it so I get a cute little volume curls. Nothing too crazy. I would use my curling iron, but the one that I have is big, and I'm a little worried that it won't give a tight enough curl for this bob. I want it not tight but tight, but not tight but tight, but a little tight but not tight but tight. I need it just right, like porridge, and I ain't got time to be trying to figure that out with a curling iron, because if you curl it with the curling iron and the curl is too big, then you literally curl your whole head, and 5 minutes later everything will be done. Every little piece of curl, girl, just gone. Ooh. I love this flat iron, but it gets so hot. I'm just recovering from the burn I got on my forehead last year. So I'm just taking the hair and giving it a little bend towards the back. Nothing too crazy, just a little something. And just like I was hoping, I'm kind of moving through the hair relatively quickly. So I'm thinking that styling this wig is gonna take maybe 10 minutes, if that. And the cool thing about wearing a yaki wig is that if the curls drop, you don't have to feel bad about curling it and sprucing her up a little bit. I feel like when I wear my natural hair in the silk press, once it's silk press, girl, I'm gonna wear however it's coming for the day. I'm gonna get whatever it's given for the day. I'm not gonna keep putting heat in it over and over, but when you're wearing a wig, you can kind of make sure she is perfect every single day. And I plan on wearing her for at least 2 to 3 days. So let me know if you guys want an update. And I'm really just grabbing big sections and giving them a little curl to the end. Nothing too crazy, to be honest. So I would say this is definitely on the beginner friendly end of the scale. Because to be honest, you can't mess it up. Whether you know how to curl with a flat iron or curling iron, whatever. She just needs a little bit of curl. And to be honest, I could have got away without changing the cut at all. I was just, girl, doing something at that point. I literally cut 3 hairs off. With that being said, you also could customize her a little more but I'm looking for something that I can just take out the bag and pop on today. And I'm not normally looking for that. So when I am, girl, I'm serious and I need it. I did the curl too tight right here and that's gonna drive me crazy. No. All right, so I went ahead and finished up the curls. It took me about maybe 15 minutes, if that, 10-12 minutes. And I'm ready to take this band off, girl. It is giving me a headache, honey. So hopefully it's nice and laid. When you untie it and it don't come off, it's a sign it's gonna be some real hair slaying going on. I got a little indent on my forehead and everything. All right, so now what I like to do is just comb the baby hairs up so they look a little softer, not like stuck down, if that makes sense. And it's giving dainty, soft vibes. Love it. And the bob is cute. The bob is bobbing. I love to run my fingers through it and just make it give tousled. I even like a little curl to the front like that. I will be wearing this on vacation. It is a yes for me. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you think about today's video. Would you wear this hair? Because quite frankly, it's keeping me from cutting my hair in a bob right now. I've been talking about cutting my hair in a bob for weeks, and this is giving me my little fix, but I need it. You can brush it out if you want more of a natural look, but I like big hoochie hair. So I shake mine out. What do you think? I think it's cute. All right, that's it. Let me know what you think. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.